My name is Michael and I'm the R&D manager at Eibach in Corona, California, and we're here to talk about the development of our PRO-TRUCK Reservoir shock. So the Tacoma that we use for development is right here behind us. It's got our PRO-TRUCK Coilover 2.0 on the front, and then of course our rear resi prototypes on the back. The testing loop that we do is a good mix of on and off-road. It's about 25 miles. It's got a good mix of your normal Southern California freeway chop, a little bit of twisties, make sure the trucks are stable in the turns, and then we head to our off-road section. So you've got some small chop in there, some real rocky sections as well, and then we get into some bigger holes. There's a small whoop section, and then some smooth graded fire roads at the end. And then we head back on a different section of freeway that gives us a little more variance in the chop, and that gives us a good picture of how these shocks are going to perform in all scenarios, both on and off-road. So this is a prototype. It's not going to look like this for the final product, but you get a good idea what we're looking for, and this is what we're using for testing. Similar to our PRO-TRUCK Sport shocks, our PRO-TRUCK Reservoir shocks utilize a nitro-coated rod, salt spray tested zinc coating, AN fittings, and high quality oil for consistent damping. Now for the valving, we took our already capable PRO-TRUCK shock and we added just a little bit more to it. So it's going to handle those bigger hits a little bit better and still maintain that off-road and on-road compliance that you're looking for. PRO-TRUCK Reservoir shocks will be available for Silverado, F-150, Tacoma, Tundra, 4Runner, as well as Ranger and Colorado. We'll probably cross some of those over to the GX 470 and 460 as well. To follow along with the development and see when these are released, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and our YouTube channel.